How to contact Uber Eats support live. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, open any web browser. Then in search address bar, all you have to do is type down Uber Eats support or Uber Eats customer service and hit enter and search for it. So now tap on the Uber Eats support option available at the top. And once you tap on it, you will be navigated to some options available on your screen. So here you can see all the topics are available. If you are having problem with some topics, then you can simply choose one according to your preferences. So let me just tap on the first one, help with orders option available there. And once I tap on it, I'll be navigated to more options available on the screen. So now from here, let me just choose one. And once I choose it, I'll be navigated to somewhere with more options. And all you have to do is simply choose the problem you are facing right now to write it down to your customer service. And once done, you will be navigated to the page where you can write down your problem and submit it to the Uber customer service easily. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.